Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you an amazing project, Zalando.co. So this is a registration page. Let me show you how to register this application, this website. So first of all, you have to enter the username, account, 5 to 12 number and letters. For example, Arbit ERP. So this is my registration available. So it says, and type here your password. Then confirm your password here. After confirming your password, you have to enter the fund password. So as you can see, I enter my fund password. After that, enter your phone number, and after entering the phone number, here you can add the captcha. As you can see the screen, the captcha image 5120. After entering all the details, you have to click on register. I already registered according to my details, so I click on login and I will log into my account. So I'll click on login and enter my username here. After entering my username, I will have to enter my password and verify image. So 0540, and click on remember me. Click on login. So as you can see, login is successful, and it will I will save these credentials. So as you can see the pop-up notification, all platform members can get maximum of $50 per day of daily sign in, and member withdrawal time waits 4 to 48 hours. I just click on this. If you want to download this application, you can download the app. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, download the app of better experience. Click on cross. So this is the Zalando.com. If I click on this notification, you can see the information center, problem feedback, and my message. Let's go back, and here you can see the about us, about Zalando.com. Zalando is a German fashion e-commerce internet company. Its online sales are dominated by shoes and fashion apparel. So you can read about details, and there are the rules and regulations. So there are 8 levels of VIP level rules. So all details are mentioned here. Level 1 member can purchase 20 order, level 2 can purchase 25, 3 can purchase 30, 4 purchase 35, 40, 45, 50, 50, and at the last, Zalando platform members can activate valid members by registering and depositing more than $100 on the same day. So this is the rules and regulations. And if you click on agent corporation, so this is the agent corporation. Invite 5 active direct members or 200 active subcoordinates members to form our team each month. You can claim a monthly team allowance of $300 for agency team commission. So you can read all details. I will add the link in my description. This is the sign in now. If you click on sign in reward, you will get a daily sign in reward. So this is my first day, so I click on sign in. I will get 1 day reward. So click on sign in. As you can see, it says too frequent, 0.5 gold points. So I click on close, and this is the invite friends. This is my invite link, VEE61843. And if I copy this promotional link and send to one of my friend, and my friend join using this link, I will get the reward, and my friend will join using that link. So this is the mall area, tmall.com VIP1, and Carrot for VIP2, and Corridor VIP3, Best Buy VIP4, Costco VIP5, Safeway VIP6, Cola VIP7, and JD.com is VIP8. And you can see the active commission notification, live commission notification, the proof of commissions. So you have must add 30 gold coins to start tmall.com and 100 coins for Carrot for VIP2.com. And you can complete 25 orders and in VIP2 level. So all the commissions are mentioned. In VIP1 level you will get 0.161%, in VIP2 you will get 0.63, and so on. All the commissions are mentioned here. So let me unlock this. So first of all, I have to deposit the coin. Let me show you my account. I already deposited 103.5 my account balance. I already deposit 100 gold coins, $100. And let me show you. Let me activate the both VIP1 and VIP2. So both are unlocked. Sorry. Let me open the tmall.com first, and then we will go to another. So here you can see the commission for completing the order is 0.61%, and this is the tmall.com VIP1. So the total order quantity is 20. So account balance 103.5. Let me click on get order. As you can see, the task is successfully received. Please continue. So I have to pay immediately. So this is the Biotulin skin gel. Let me click on pay immediately, and this is the task is completed. Continue to receive tasks, and as you can see, the one task has been completed, and I can complete 19 tasks. And this is the second task. So this is the spider active sports men's outbound, pay immediately, and this is processing, and this is completed. So let me complete all. As you can see, I have completed 19 orders already, and the last order is remaining. So total quantity is 20 orders per day. So this is my last order, and click on get order. Task is completed, and I have to click on pay immediately. So pay immediately, and let me show you the view tasks. So I have completed 20 tasks already. So my account balance is now $110.11, and commission I earned today is 6.61, and today finished orders are 20. So let's go back, and these are other VIP levels. So let me click on orders. Let me show you the order I have completed. So this is the examination orders. All the orders are completed, all 20 orders. And if I click on recharge, here I can recharge by the USDT TRC20 network. Click on this address, and you have to select any amount. Let me show let example. Click on 100 and click on recharge amount. After clicking 100, you will see the address. Just copy this address, and the network must be TRC20, and send the payment. After sending the payment, you have to enter the screenshot here and click on submit. After submitting, the deposit will be arrived soon. And this is the customer service. If you are troubling with any problem, if you have any issue, you can contact them by support. And this is me. Here you can see my account balance and recharge, withdraw, and account details, my wallet, my orders, team report. So I just signed up, so the team report is 0. And message, system announcements are mentioned here. The invite friend is already mentioned. What is invite friend? And this is the recharge promotion. So these recharge promotions are in processing. Recharge over 100 gold coins to get this reward, and as you can see, there are multiple rewards here. Complete the recharge task to get the reward. So, and there are about us, rules, regulation, and promotional tutorial, agent cooperation, system announcement, and all the major details here. Let me show you how to withdraw. You can click on withdraw, and after that you can here fill the requirements and confirm the withdraw. The withdraw will be successful. So this is the Zalando.co. Thanks for watching.